Do versus make.
Morning, Mary. Hey, did you make this coffee? It is absolutely amazing.
I did. Enjoy it because I'm about to pull my hair out. I'm preparing tomorrow's lesson on do versus make, and the grammar books are incredibly boring.
Oh, the classic nightmare. Lists of rules, right?
Exactly. Is there any practical real-world way to teach this?
There is a massive shortcut. Teach them just one concept: action versus creation.
Okay, break it down for me.
Simple. Use do when you just perform the action. You do homework. You do the dishes. You do exercise.
And what about make?
If you can touch, taste, or see a physical result at the very end, it's always make. You make a cake. You make dinner. You make money.
Wow. So I can just ask, can you hold it in your hands?
Precisely. If yes, use make. If no, use do.
But wait, what about the exceptions? What about make the bed?
Tell them every rule has a rebel. To just memorize the 3 biggest exceptions. Make the bed, do your hair, and make a mistake.
John, you just saved my lesson. Thank you.
See? Go do a great job. What happened?
Mary was stressed trying to avoid preparing a boring lesson about do and make. John shared a massive shortcut with her. Use do for actions and make for physical creations. If you can see, touch, or taste the final result with your hands, use make. They also reviewed the rebel exceptions like make the bed, do your hair, and make a mistake. Thanks to John's advice, Mary saved her lesson and felt ready to teach a great class. Key information: US versus UK. Do the dishes.
Do the washing up.
Grammar tips.
Do equals action. Used for tasks, jobs, activities, or general work. It does not produce a brand new physical object.
Example, do the homework before leaving.
Make equals creation. Used when you produce, construct, or create something new. At the end, you can touch, see, or taste the result.
Example, I will make coffee for us.
Memorize the 3 rebels. Make the bed. Do your hair. Make a mistake. Listen and repeat.
Did you make this coffee? I need to do my homework. She wants to make a cake. Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes. Go do a great job today.
Check your understanding.
Are you ready? Let's check.
Why was Mary stressed?
Because the grammar books were incredibly boring.
What do make the bed and do your hair represent?
They are the rebel exceptions to the rule.
Will Mary do a great job?
Yes, she will.
Please subscribe to the channel.
Please share it with your friends.